Hi, welcome back. So in this video we're going to learn about Boolean operators. Okay. So Boolean operators are pretty important for any programming language. Otherwise, statements like loops, for example, if-else statements, they would be useless if we couldn't use the Boolean operators. Now, Boolean operators are normally known as logical NOT, logical AND, and logical OR. This is the NOT, exclamation mark. This is double ampersand for AND, and this is OR. This one is right on top of your enter key in your keyboard. Okay, so let's see them in action. Okay, so I'm going to use the alert statement here, and then say false. Okay, alert false. It's a Boolean value. So what do we expect to see here? First, false, right? It's a false, so we see false. But if we use the logical NOT operator, okay, so this is the NOT operator. If we use NOT operator, what we're saying is not false. What does that mean? That means we should see true, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see if that works. And yeah, that works. So you see how powerful they are. So they become extremely powerful when you're programming. Okay, there's another way of using this. If you use logical operator twice, okay, used it twice, so it became again false. Okay, so alter the value. Okay, so that's pretty important. It's pretty cool. All right. Next, AND operator. So AND is pretty cool. AND operator is applied on two values. Okay, so the first one and the second one. It's two values, but it always evaluates the first one. So if first one is true, then it will go on to the second value. If the first value is false, it never reaches the second value. So let me show you what I mean by that. Variable result equals to true, and let's say hello world. So let's say I want to display this hello world. The first value has to be true. So in case it is true, it is hard-coded true, so I'm sure it works. Console log results hello world. We can see that because the AND operator worked, because the first value was a Boolean true, so it worked. However, if it was false, if the first value was false, the second line would never execute. I mean, second line, we will never see the second line because it doesn't reach it stops here. So let's reverse. As you can see, it's false. Okay, so that is the AND operator. So AND operator you can use when you want to conditionally render the element. If the value is true, do it. If not, don't worry about it. AND operator, logical NOT done, logical AND done. Now let's do the next one, logical OR. So it also works in a similar way as the AND, but either one of them is true, it will return true. So unless both values are false, then obviously it will be false, otherwise it will be true. So variable result equals to true or true, console log results. So true or true returns true, true false true, false or true true. Only if it is both false, then it will be false. So let's see. So logical OR operator is, as you can see, it's represented by two pipes, double pipes. So it is applied to two values. As long as one value is true, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. So it was pretty straightforward. Okay. So the next video will be about multiplicative operators. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.